Hello, astronomers. So, end of this video, you all guys are able to perform Tailwind CSS in your React. And this is super easy. Okay, super easy. So, let's start it. So, first of all, definitely you go to the tailwindcss.com. There, click on the get started and you have to copy this command. Actually, you can see there's step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just simply have to copy these steps and we have Tailwind in our React project. So just copy the first command npm install -tailwind and go to your project I already created and run a server. I'm going to create a project. So paste, enter, and this is going to install Tailwind in your project. And this is super easy, right? You all guys know. Next, go npx tailwind init. It's going to create a tailwind.config.js file, right? So hit enter and notice there will be a tailwind.config.js file will be created. Enter and see this file is got created, right? Now the thing is we don't need this code because we have to copy this code in there. And there is another thing, content should be HTML, JS, and we also work with JSX. So we type JSX there. Now the work of this config file is almost done. Next step is we have to create under the source. You have to create an input.css file. So just copy this code, Control C, and there and under the source actually. Under a source, create input.css file and paste all the code there. Fine. And now the next step is super easy. Don't need to see this kind of thing. Just go to your app.js, cut that thing, import just a second, input dot input.css and done. You are done. Now you can use Tailwind on your project. So just I remove something. I think that I don't need that image that much, right? Go to the project and what we have, like, oh acha, we never start the server. So just start the server and let's see what we get in our display or in our screen, right? So, and our code is successfully completed. You can see there is the code. I make it a little big. Okay. So just to check, can we use Tailwind in our project? I'm going to actually I'm going to remove all of this. Okay. Under that I write a header. There I write hello world, and I give a class. Now this is the time to test is Tailwind is work or not. So I give it text. I want to give some style. Just a second. You definitely don't get, you're not going to get these suggestions. I install a extension. I show you what the extension is, and it's in the sizes increase. If from 5XL to I type 2XL, you can see the size is decreasing. Means our Tailwind is working. Done. That much. You have Tailwind on your system. And to show you something, go to extension section in your VS Code, type Tailwind, and you have a extension. This extension. Okay, install this extension, and you have you get suggestion like this. Okay, without this extension, you won't get suggestion like this. So install this extension. So thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe the channel. I really need your support. And bye bye. See you in the next video.